and everyone. Today I will present about my relative and family for you. My grandfather and grandmother FTG. There are my uncle, my aunt and my dad. My uncle have a son and daughter. My aunt doesn't marry. So my dad have one nephew and one is for about my mother. She had two younger brothers and they're not married. So my mother doesn't have nephew or niece and I have two younger for my family. There are 4 people and in my family. My dad, my mom, my elder mother, he doesn't marry and family I am married.